Hey there, English learners. Welcome to day 1 of your 5-day English shadowing practice challenge. I'm Monica, and today, we're going to shadow simple English sentences from your morning routine. Just listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Main shadowing practice. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I check my phone. I check my phone. I leave for work at 9 a.m. I leave for work at 9 a.m. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. I reach the office on time. I reach the office on time. Mini challenge 30 seconds. Great job. Now it's your turn. Pick 3 sentences from today's practice and say them out loud, twice. Practice makes progress, and your fluency will improve every day. That's it for day 1. If you enjoyed this shadowing session, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for the full 5-day challenge. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Until then, keep practicing and keep shining.